Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. This video shows you the addition and subtraction with letters inside the radicals. Let's look at the first question. First one, 2 square root a minus square root 4b minus 9a inside the square root plus square root 16a. Okay. With letters inside the radical, we still need to look at if anything we can simplify before combine them. So the square root a inside, nothing we can simplify. So we copy this one, 2 square root a and minus square root 4b. 4 can get out the square root, become 2 because 4 equals 2 square. That's why you call 2 square root b. 9a, 9 equals 3 square, get out square root is 3. So 3 square root a. And 16 can be simplified as 4 square, that our radical is 4. Radical a. Then we can find radical square root a, square root a, square root a, this square root b. Obviously, these three are similar radicals, so we can combine these three together. So we can write together, write 2 square root a minus 3 square root a plus 4 square root a and minus 2 square root b. And we got the answer equals 2 minus 3 is negative 1, then plus 4 is 3. So it's 3 square root a minus 2 square root b. Because these two are not similar radicals, so we just leave this way. We cannot combine these together. The second question, and I'll show you here. Here we have 8y cubed plus 6y square root 2y and minus square root 50y cubed. So still square root, we need to simplify it because 8 equals 2 times 4, right? That's why we say this is it. We can write, we're matching the square root, which is radical index is 2. We write this is 2 square. This one, we first write the 2 square and the y is y square. And because 8 equals 2 cubed or 4 times 2, we write 4 into 2 square, another 2 we write here, and still have y here. So this term is ready to go, this piece is ready to go outside the radical, which is 2y. And this 2y stay inside the radical. This is the first term. The second term is square root 2y. There's nothing we can simplify. We copy this one, 6y square root 2y. So this is the next step, also 6y square root 2y, right? And this one is 50. 50, we can factor out 50 is divided 5, got the 10, divided another 5, you got 2. And a pair of 5, which you write into 5 square times 2. And this y cube we can write y square times y, right? Times y. So we can write this one into 5 square, get out the radical is 5. And the y square, get out the radical is y. The 2y stay. 2y stay. In this situation, you can see inside the reticle is 2y, square root 2y, and outside the reticle is y, and this is y square root 2y, y square root 2y, all same. We treat it as similar radicals. We just add the number 2 plus 6 is 8 minus 5 equals 3. So we got the 3y square root 2y. This is the answer. The next question I'd like to show you is about cube root. Inside cube root we have radicals. Inside the radical we have still is cube root. We have question 3. 5a cube root negative 8 c to the 4 exponent, and plus cube root, this is 125 a cubed and c to the 4 exponent, and then minus 2 times a c cube root c. So we simplify the radical first, because inside the cube root can be negative, because cube inside is negative 8 is negative 2 multiply negative 2 multiply another negative 2, right? So for either way, because we say under cube root the negative is okay, so we first pull the negative out, become negative 5a. So we do inside with positive number, and this is 8 equal 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 cubed. And I say always matching inside the exponent with the radical index. The c4 exponent, we can write the c to the 3 exponent, then times another c, right? So for this term, we can get out radical 2 and the c, you got negative 5a times 2c and the cube root c. The second term, we can see this is 125. 125 equals, I need to change pen, is 125 can be equal 5. This is 25 divided 5, got the 5 cubed. So this is we still write cube root 5 cubed, a cubed, c cubed, and times c. So this term 5 cubed can get a radical cube root as 5. A cubed is a, c cubed becomes c. So cube as long as cubed, they can get all the radical and have c stay. The last term is subtract 2ac cube root c. There's nothing we can simplify, so we keep this one, 2ac cube root c. Okay, go this way. So minus 2ac cube root c. So now we can see, and this one we can write down into negative 10 ac, right? ac cube root c, and this is 5 ac cube root c minus 2ac cube root c. So ac cube root c, ac cube root c, ac cube root c are similar radicals. We combine the coefficient. Negative 10 plus 5 equals negative 5. Negative 5 minus 2 got negative 7. So the answer is negative 7 ac cube root c. This is the addition and the subtraction with inside the radical with letters. Okay, this is presented by Wise Guy. Thank you.